Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your QuickTrip employee account. To do so, follow some simple steps, which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for QuickTrip Employee Login. It will show you this interface over here. Click on the first option, Employee Login, QuickTrip. It will take you to the official website to log into your QuickTrip Employee Portal account. Now, over here, enter your username like this and password over here in the appropriate place like this, and click on the Login button. You should be able to log into your QuickTrip employee account. That's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.